At Baxter's Customer Experience Centers, healthcare leaders discover the future of care delivery firsthand. This immersive experience showcases how we redefine healthcare delivery across the care journey, working alongside customers to activate the most powerful connected care systems possible. Step into a dynamic space where innovation meets excellence through streamlined workflows, cutting-edge technologies, and patient-centric care. At Baxter's CECs, you don't just hear about innovation, you experience it. Immerse yourself in our interactive showcase, where you can engage with live product demonstrations, hands-on training sessions, and expert insights to inform your purchasing decisions and drive better care outcomes. Walk through fully interactive care settings, each designed to mirror real-world clinical environments, like Med Surg units, intensive care units, operating rooms, and physician offices.
The guided tour of the plant and center offered a first-hand look at lean principles in action, along with valuable hands-on interaction with Baxter's innovative products. The team's deep knowledge and genuine support made the experience both educational and collaborative.
A CEC visit isn't just a tour. It's the start of a partnership where we will join forces to optimize caregiver workflows and bring transformative care experiences to life. Schedule your visit today and see how we can support you on your journey to transform patient care.